Today we are doing a little impromptu hike. It was a really beautiful day, so we are going to go to Hooker Falls in the DuPont recreational forest, whatever it's called. I don't know. It's somewhere in North Carolina. Triple Falls is closed due to the storm damage, and High Falls was a little under a 3-mile hike, but we're losing daylight. We got a late start as usual, but this will be a nice little hike. I think it's like 0.8 miles according to All Trails. We're gonna check out this little river and bridge area before we go to the trailhead. Gunner, come on, we can't stop and smell every single little thing today. It's too cold to go swimming today, Gunner. You're crazy. Oh my God. You were just gonna go in there?
He started going. I was like, yeah.
What?
His arms were almost up to a sweater. I was like, no.
Is his sweater wet?
I don't think so.
It is.
Is it?
Now you're gonna be cold. Hi, Gunner. For reference, it's a Monday, late afternoon. We are the only person here. So sometimes it pays off to not be an early bird. Definitely a nice wide trail, a good path. Very pretty.
If you have dogs that are on leash, it's kind of nice. You can get them off trail if you need to.
Well maintained. Gunner's peeing every chance he gets to mark his territory. Hooker Falls, located in the DuPont State Recreational Forest in North Carolina, is one of the most accessible and rewarding hikes in the park. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a chill nature escape, this one's for you. Let's get started. The Hooker Falls Trail is super beginner friendly, less than half a mile each way and mostly flat. It follows the Little River, so you'll get plenty of gorgeous views along the way. And fun fact, DuPont State Park is famous for being a filming location for movies like The Hunger Games. Pretty cool, right? This trail is perfect for families, dog-friendly, so of course Gunner's with us, and you can even swim at the falls, but we'll get to that in a minute. Hooker Falls is about 12 feet high, but it stretches across the entire river, creating this beautiful wide cascade. It's actually the only waterfall in the park with a safe swimming area, so in the summer, this spot is packed. Even though it's a short hike, this is such a rewarding spot to hang out and enjoy nature. Whether you want to swim, have a picnic, or just listen to the water, Hooker Falls is a must-see in DuPont. While Hooker Falls is a great quick hike, DuPont State Recreational Forest has over 80 miles of trails with some of the most stunning waterfalls in North Carolina. If you have extra time, here are a few other must-visit trails in the park. Triple Falls at 1.2 miles round trip, High Falls Trail at 1.5 miles round trip, featuring a 150-foot waterfall, making it one of the biggest in the park. And Bridal Veil Falls, 4.4 miles round trip. This unique waterfall slides down a smooth rock face, creating a cool sloping cascade. You might recognize it from The Last of the Mohicans. Also a 3.5-mile trail loop that connects Hooker Falls, Triple Falls, and High Falls, as well as the covered bridge. Trail is in and out, meaning you go in and exit the same way. It's not a loop or anything. It's one way in, one way out. And on the way back, you're definitely hitting an incline. We are in our winter mode, which means we're out of shape and haven't been very active like we would want. So,
Feeling it.
Yeah. But for someone who's relatively in shape, this is not a hard trail.
No.
We're just lazy and out of shape.
That's a wrap on today's hike. Hooker Falls is definitely one of our favorite quick trails in North Carolina. If you're visiting the DuPont State Park, this is the perfect place to start. Let us know in the comments, have you been here before, or what's your favorite waterfall hike? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you soon, and don't get bamboozled.